Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on TECNO Spark 10. And to do this, first you'll need to set up your voice match on your device. You can check our previous video about it. Now, first command will be to translate. So you can translate basically any language using your Google Assistant, and you also get the answer aloud with your Google Assistant will speak it out loudly. So let's try. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem burgera.
Next one is to count calories. You can count calories in basically any food. You can ask Google for it. Hey Google, how many calories in a burger?
according to Eugene's Diner and Bar. Overview of calories in a burger. The average fast food burger has 250 to 700 calories. The exact number depends on which.
You will also get the answer. Next one is to find your phone. When you lost it somewhere in the room, it happens to everybody. You just put your phone somewhere and you can't find it. And for that, you also need to set up Google Assistant for a lock screen, and one condition also is to have the volume up on your phone. Then we can ask Google where are you, or to play some music. So let's try it. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm stuck inside a device. Help. Just kidding. I like it in here.
Your phone will make a sound and it will be easy to identify where it is. Then we have a next option, which is the call. You can call basically anyone from your contacts list with Google. Hey Google, call my mom.
Alright, what's your mother's name?
If you have that person in your contacts list, it will perform a call. And then we have the last one, which is a message. So you can send a message and also say what should be included in the message, and then Google will send it to that person. So, hey Google, send a message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Got it. What's your mother's name?
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.